Hello my dear friends! In today's video we will dive into one of our favorite themes, which is repurposing plastic bottles, in particular plastic caps. So first up we need one plastic bottle cap, lighter and toothpicks. The toothpick is sharp at both ends, so we cut one end with scissors. After that, we hold the cap with the help of nippers, not to burn ourselves. Then we hit the bottom of the cap with the lighter. Try to do it evenly. Then we need to force the toothpick with the cut end first, through the cap. So let's see what we will get. Now take the scissors and cut off the top. That's all, we get such a header, or a dispenser so to say. We can use it to work with glue or engine oil and easily grease small parts, or for watering the most finicky plants. This header may be even useful at the kitchen. You may fill the bottle with cream and paint on a pancake with it. So, the next idea is an extension of the first one. It will be especially interesting for fans of crossbows, mini weapons, and so on. Without further ado, let's make blow darts, suitable for air guns or pipes. That's all, thank you all for your attention. Don't forget to press the like button as it helps out a lot. See you in the next one.